Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional videos using Kapwing. First, what you need to do is you need to open any of the web browser prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down kapwing.com and enter it here. And once you get into this interface of a Kapwing, what you can do is you can simply start with a clean project. You can go to this create new here and select click to upload here and select one of the video and it will automatically loads up into this editing timeline. And over here you can also set the right size, very important. Over here on the right hand side we can find this a save zones option. Over here you can select for this all and you can resize the canvas here, or you can also select the each TikTok, YouTube or Instagram here, and this alone makes a video look more pro. And you can also upload and arrange the clips. You can trim unnecessary parts. You can go to this edges of the trim up clip and simply move it on the left hand side to trim it. And you can also use the clean cuts here. You can select to this white line here and select to the split here. You can simply delete the unnecessary part as well. You can also add the subtitles in the left hand side. You can select to this auto subtitle here and you can select the original language and translate video to the language here as well and click onto the subtitle. And that is it. After that you can simply export your project in the right hand side in the top. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.